In this video, we drive along the whole Amalfi Coast with a scooter. It's late October here on the Amalfi Coast, but it really feels like summer. So we're packing our beach towels and swimsuit for this journey. We start in Vietri sul Mare. This is the first town of the Amalfi Coast if you are coming from Salerno. Don't forget to visit the colorful houses of Vietri sul Mare. They are down in the marina, very close to the beach. I will put the coordinates in the description. The historic center is in the upper side of the town. This place is just perfect for souvenir shopping, especially if you like pottery. Ceramic is everywhere. Let the journey begin. The first town we are passing by is Cetara. Cetara is a very small fishing village on the Amalfi Coast. It's only 40 kilometers from Vietri sul Mare to Positano, but the road is winding. It takes a little time and patience to drive on the coastal road. Sometimes there are traffic lights and traffic jams. So the actual driving time from Vietri to Positano can take even 2 hours, depend on the traffic conditions. Maiori is famous because it has the longest beach in the whole Amalfi Coast. And we are passing by Minori. Up there is Ravello. We're going to skip Ravello today because we are driving only on the coastal road. And here we go. After about 50 minutes of driving, we arrive to the town of Amalfi. It's too hot. we are going to try the famous lemon sorbet, eat some street food, and of course visit the Cathedral of St. Andrew. Amalfi is full of little hidden alleyways. And here we are. And this is the main square of Amalfi. Probably the best place to try the famous lemon sorbet. The presentation is just so fantastic. They serve it in huge local lemons with lemon leaves on the top.
Fake.
For sure it's real.
It's on plastic one. Actually real.
We walk up to this beautiful viewpoint and it's a lot of steps, but it's really worth it.
A lot of steps to climb, but there is always a beautiful view on the end.
Always worth to go up.
From here you can see the whole town of Amalfi, and you are really close to this beautiful bell tower, and you can see the decoration, the ceramics on it. It's just so pretty, so you should not miss this viewpoint when you are traveling to Amalfi. I will put in the description how to get to this point. And it's time to go back to the main square and visit the Cathedral of Amalfi. The Cathedral of St. Andrew. And the 13th century Paradise Cloister. This cloister is stunning. It's market day in the town of Amalfi. We stopped by to say hi to our friend Riccardo. He comes from a small village on the Amalfi Coast, and he makes his own ricotta cheese that he sells on the local market. You can find him in the weekly markets in Ravello, Amalfi, or even in Maiori.
Mozzarella, sono da me, dovevi comprare?
E tu scemo tutte e due. Almeno.
In Amalfi you can try a local street food. It's called coppo fritto. Usually it's deep fried seafood, but there are options without seafood like deep fried mozzarella balls or French fries. My favorite is the variation with shrimps and calamari rings. I always ate it in my favorite place called Coppo d'Amalfi. I will put the name of the place in the description. It's just 2 minutes from the main square, and it's Also gluten-free as they use rice flour. After a long stop in Amalfi, we are back in the road and driving towards Positano. Before we stop in Positano, we're gonna see another town. The name of the town is Praiano and it's very pretty.
Where are we going? No. Praiano.
It has a name, though.
Gavitella. Going to the beach of Gavitella that has the longest hour of sunshine in the Amalfi Coast.
We're just lucky we find the parking.
Yes, and it's actually free, at least I think it's free, because when it's painted white, in Italy it means free, blue means you have to pay, and yellow means only for residents.
Beans.
So, ready? Ready to go on the steps and the stairs?
Sí.
Walk down?
Yes, I love it.
Oh, it's so beautiful here. Oh, let's just find the cat.
So Praiano is the village just before Positano, and I would like to show you a very special beach. It's called the Gavitella. To get to the beach you need to walk down some stairs, but it's really worth it, you're gonna see in the end.
Yeah, it just looks like. Talking and it has no idea. I know, I think I counted already 2,550 stairs, but I'm not sure. No, just joking. No, it's fantastic, yeah. Going down is always fantastic. It's perfect light, you know, through the trees. It really looks lovely.
How is the water?
Fantastic. Perfect for refreshment.
This is the only beach on the Amalfi Coast where you can actually see the sunset.
You feel cold when you come out?
No, not at all. really
Where is
difficult.
Positano?
It's around here now.
Yes,
It's really hazy.
You can see the Cathedral.
Difficult to see. Yeah.
I can see the church.
And the path of God is up there, you know?
Yeah, up there.
And all the way there.
Oh, yeah, I can actually see the house where we passed by.
So many people only stay in Sorrento and come to visit Positano, and that's what they see from the Amalfi Coast. But I think it's just better if you rent a scooter, start from the Salerno side, stay in Vietri sul Mare, you stay on the actual Amalfi Coast and do a whole day, a full day road trip with your scooter and visit as much as you can. Like, we actually started very late, like 11 a.m. But if you start early in the morning, you're gonna be able to see so much more. Like, you can stop in Maiori or Minori, maybe even walk the lemon path. You can go up to Ravello, visit the Villa Ruffolo, the Villa Cimbrone. So in one day, you can actually see the highlights if you rent a scooter. So most of the ferries on the Amalfi Coast like stop around 6 and then you cannot stay in the evening. And I think you should experience Positano in the evening without the worry to catching the last bus. Just go to the Spiaggia Grande, sit down, have a prosecco, get an aperitif, have a dinner. It's really nice in the evenings.